Data is everywhere. But how do we turn raw data into actionable insights? Welcome to the Data Science Lifecycle, a step-by-step guide to solving real-world problems with data. Let's dive in. It all starts with asking the right question. What problem are we trying to solve? Whether it's predicting customer churn or optimizing supply chains, defining the problem sets the stage for everything that follows. Collaborate with stakeholders, set clear goals, and determine how success will be measured. Next, we gather the data. From databases and APIs to surveys and sensors, data comes in all shapes and sizes. The key: ensure it's relevant, sufficient, and ready to unlock insights. Raw data is messy. In this step, we clean and prepare it for analysis. Handle missing values, remove duplicates, and transform the data into a usable format. Think of it as tidying up before the real work begins. Now it's time to explore. Using statistics and visualizations, we uncover patterns, trends, and relationships in the data. This step helps us understand the story the data is telling and guides our next moves. Not all data is created equal. Here, we create meaningful features, variables that help our models perform better. It's like giving the model a sharper lens to see the data. This is where the magic happens. We choose the right algorithms, like linear regression, decision trees, or neural networks, and train them on our data. The goal: build a model that can predict, classify, or uncover hidden insights. How good is our model? We test it using metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall. This step ensures our model is reliable and ready for the real world. A model is useless if it stays on your laptop. In this step, we deploy it to production, whether it's a cloud platform, a web app, or an API. Now, it's ready to make real-world predictions. Insights are only valuable if they are understood. We create visualizations, dashboards, and reports to share our findings with stakeholders. Clear communication is key to driving action. The work doesn't stop after deployment. We monitor the model's performance, retrain it with new data, and iterate to keep it effective. Data science is a cycle, not a one-time event. The work doesn't stop after deployment. We monitor the model's performance, retrain it with new data, and iterate to keep it effective. Data science is a cycle, not a one-time event.